Welcome to U Club Sunnyside in Morgantown, a place where your student lifestyle gets an exciting upgrade. Choose from spacious 2 and 4 bedroom apartments, decked out with hardwood-style floors and full-sized kitchens for a convenient stay. You'll also get all the essentials like a microwave, in-unit washer-dryer, refrigerator, and plenty of room to relax. Step outside your door for a plethora of common amenities. Take a dip in the pool, or unwind in the hot tub. Battle it out in the game room, or challenge your friends to ping pong and billiards. Head to the iMac-equipped study lounges to wrap college assignments. Keep your energy levels up with an in-house gym available. Oh, and there's on-site parking for you to store your personal wheels. Located at 2188 University Avenue, you're right near West Virginia University and John Chambers College of Business and Economics. Beechhurst and 6th and Grant and 6th bus stops are just steps away for a breezy commute. So don't wait. Book your place at U Club Sunnyside in Morgantown now via amberstudent.com.